Alright, today we are going to discuss on information systems in business today. That's management and information security course. So in management information systems, we have what we call the law of information systems in business today. So how information systems are transforming. So we can say the way information system is transforming business today is by emerging mobile digital platforms, by through growing business use of big data, and then growth in cloud computing. Also, we have what we call globalization opportunities. So within globalization opportunities, we can see that internet has drastically reduced cost of operating on global scales. Also, increases in foreign trade and outsourcing. There is that increase in foreign trade, as you can see nowadays. You can see those companies coming up with different applications on how they can trade online. Yeah, also presents both challenges and opportunities. So we can see that the way it is transforming business today, information, we can see that there are present both challenges and opportunities. Also, we can see that there is increase in foreign trade and outsourcing. So, the law of information system in business today continues. Also, can see that in the imaging fully digital theme, in the imaging there is a full what digital theme, meaning significant business relationships are digitally enabled and mediated. Also, the core business processes are accomplished through digital networks. Also, we have the key corporate assets are managed digitally. So digital firms offer greater flexibility in organization and management. Like we have space shifting, also time shifting. So we can see that it will bring greater flexibility in organization and management. Also, we have growing interdependence between ability to use information technology and the ability to implement corporate strategies and achieve corporate goals. So firms invest heavily in information system to achieve 6 strategic business objectives, and that is operation excellence. There is need to be excellence in operation, new products and service and business models, customer and suppliers intimacy, improved decision making, competitive advantage, and for survival. So we can see here the diagram here is showing business strategic objectives here, and then the business processes. So here in the business theme, we can see that there is that connectivity between the software, and then within the software we can see that there's information system. Going to information system, we can see that according to the way these things are transforming business today, there is need for data management, there's need for telecommunication, there's need for hardware. For what? For the business process to go on. So we can see in contemporary system there is a growing interdependence between firms, information system and its business capabilities. Changes in strategy, rules and business process increasingly require changes in the hardware, software and database and telecommunication. Often what the organization would like to do depends on what it is its system will permit it to do. So when it comes to operation excellence, there is what we call improvement of efficiency to attain higher profitability. And then we have information systems technology, and is an important tool in achieving greater efficiency and business product like Walmart retail link system, and then suppliers to store for superior replenishment systems. So we can see that new products and services and business models, according to business models, it will describe how companies produces, how they sell and deliver products, services to create the wealth, and then how information system and technology is a major in enabling tool for new product service business. You can see that examples are Apple's iPad, Google Android operating system, and even Netflix. Yeah, you can see that these information systems are major tools for good services and business models. So customer and supplier intimacy. So the way the law information system is transforming business today, you can see that the customer and supplier intimacy, there will be service customers well leads to customer returning, which raises revenue and profits. Example is high-end hotels that uses computers to track customers' preferences and use to monitor and customize environment. Intimacy with suppliers allows them to provide a vital input which lowers the cost. Example, we have a JPENS information system which links sales record to contract manufacture. Also, we have what we call improved decision making. Without accurate information, there will be no improved decision making. So managers must use forecasts, best guesses of luck. So results in improved decision making. We have the advantage like overproduction or disadvantage the underproduction, misallocation of resources, poor response time. So information system is transforming, it is improving decision making. Also we have poor outcomes, less cost to lose customers. So if you don't make a good decision, there will be poor outcomes. Example, there is a web-based digital dashboard to provide managers with real-time data on customer complex network, lines outages, and so on. So according to the competitive advantage, we can see that delivering delivering better performance, there is charging less for superior products, responding to customer and suppliers in real time. Example, we have Apple, Walmart, and UPS. For survival, so survival, information technology as necessity for business, we can see that industrial levels are changing. Example, the Citibank's introduction of ATM, very easy. Government regulations requiring record keeping, it is changing the record keeping. It's becoming easy. Example, Toxic Substance Control Act, Sarbanes-Oxley Acts, Dodd-Frank Acts, and so on. So you can see that information system is a set of interrelated components that collect is a set of interrelated components that collect, processes, stores, and distribute information. Also support decision making and coordination, and also it controls. So what is information and what is data? So information versus data, we can say data are streams of raw facts, and then information is data shaped into meaningful form. As you can see here, there is data there. We can see there is 331 bright dish soap, but the information there is talking about the item number. According the item number, the price, and the description that is needed. So that's how load data from a supermarket checkout counter can be processed and organized to produce meaningful information such as the total unit sale of a dish detergent and total sales revenue from dish detergent for a specific store for sales. That's just a 10 minutes video. Thank you for watching, and make sure you heard something, you understood something. Go from the notes. Thank you.